Ever wondered how the world became obsessed with money, banks, and interest rates? What if I told you the first banks weren't buildings at all, but temples, and the first bankers were priests? From gold coins hidden in vaults to trillion-dollar wire transfers in seconds, this is the untold story of how banks shaped our past and control our financial future. Welcome to the Millionaire Mindset, where we break down money, power, and everything in between. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of wealth, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon, because we're about to dive deep into the history of banks. Let's rewind way back to Mesopotamia around 2000 BCE. The earliest forms of banking began not in fancy glass towers, but in temples. Priests kept grain, silver, and valuables for people and recorded everything on clay tablets. These temples also loaned out goods and charged interest. Yes, even back then. Fast forward to ancient Greece and Rome. Moneylenders set up in marketplaces, offering loans, converting currencies, and even helping merchants trade overseas. In the Middle Ages, the Catholic Church banned interest, so banking went underground. Enter the Medici family in 15th century Italy, masters of finance and innovation. They invented the double-entry bookkeeping system and built a banking empire across Europe. Instead of physical coin, they used letters of credit, early versions of checks, to move money safely between cities. Genius. The 1600s changed everything. In London, merchants started depositing gold with goldsmiths for safekeeping. These goldsmiths issued receipts, which people started using as money. That's how paper currency was born. Then came the Bank of England, established in 1694, the world's first central bank. Across the ocean, America followed suit. In 1791, Alexander Hamilton helped create the first Bank of the United States to stabilize the economy and issue currency. The 1900s brought huge banking transformations. After the Great Depression, governments created regulations and insurance systems to protect deposits, like the FDIC in the US banks, expanded globally, adopted digital systems, and launched credit cards in the 1950s. Then came online banking in the 1990s, and mobile apps in the 2010s. Banks weren't just buildings anymore. They were digital powerhouses. Today, we have cryptocurrency, AI trading, digital wallets, and neobanks with zero physical branches. But the core idea remains the same: trust, security, and profit. The future of banking might not involve banks at all, but code, blockchain, and decentralized finance. Will banks evolve or become obsolete? That's the billion-dollar question. From sacred temples to digital wallets, banks have always been at the center of human power. And if you want to master your money and build real wealth, this is the place to be. Subscribe to the Millionaire Mindset and join a growing community that thinks smarter, saves harder, and earns more. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and drop a comment. Where do you think banks are headed next? Until next time, keep grinding and keep growing.